How you doing?
Good.
What's going on?
I just shot my first
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God! Thing's huge! Look at the rock on that thing! That's Boone and Crockett.
deer. Yeah.
Hey, alright. Congratulations. Tell me the story. What happened?
I was just laying over there by that, in that shade because I was tired from walking.
Taking a nap?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Had my hat over my eyes and he just came out right here. I heard him, I lifted my hat off my eyes and he was standing right there. I had my gun in my lap and just shot him and he fell right over.
Wow. Sounds like a lot of skill involved there. Good job.
Yeah.
No.
There's only a lot of.
As I said, do you remember what I said about, you said, oh, do you think I'll see anybody when I'm in there? And I said, all the other hunters will be at lunch. You shot that thing at 12:30 in the afternoon on Veterans Day.
Yep.
And that's the third deer we've taken out of here in the middle of the day on Veterans Day, so there you go.
Yep.
It's our secret. Good job, Hunter.
Yeah.